Hello, my name is Sofia Oliveira, and right now I want to talk about the great experience I had with Bosscat. I met Prem through my boyfriend. He needed a website for his Tai Chi lessons. He wanted to have the opportunity to reach more people to talk about the different type of Tai Chi classes around the world. And the point of commitment that Prem put to his project was remarkable. So I didn't think it twice to get in contact with him. Let me tell you my story. I have a small company based on interior design pieces combined with plants. I will explain it more. I care a lot about my customers' well-being. So I create interior decoration pieces made of wood. These are made with different colors, design, and sizes that can adjust the places where my customer will put them. And also, I combine my pieces with plants because they provide peace and calm to the spaces they are located. But the only thing I was not happy at the time I started with my company was the logo, because it didn't express what my brand was about. I was searching for something that reflected more the concept of my company, and thanks to Prem, I got that result. A logo that can perfectly match the concept, which is to combine interior design with home decoration and also with plants. I am very happy with the logo he designed for me because it fits perfectly with the concept of my brand. Another thing that I really like about working with Prem is the professionalism he had in the design process. He understood very well the concept of my company, made several design options so I can choose the one that best suited what I want to represent with my brand. I had more than 5 options to choose, and the best thing of that was that each one of them were different. Different colors, different fonts, type of design. Some of them were curvy, others were more square type. So that was something that I liked, not to have only 1 or 2 options to choose. Other thing that I enjoy working with Prem was that he's a very flexible person when it comes to the customer changes, and accurate to adjust each modification without losing the essence of the main design. Because I don't know anything about logo design, he was there for me to clarify all the questions that I had. Also, the time schedule to deliver the logo. Every time he was on time. Even when it was only the modification process, he said an hour, and at that time I received the new design. And you can say, why is she so excited only for a logo? Well, it's because this helped me get more and more followers each day. Right now, my social media looks more professional with the new logo. It shows the definition of the company just in one picture. I have received very good comments from my followers and friends, and this helped me reach other places I really wanted to get in contact with. People now can understand the concept of my brand. Everything looks more professional right now, and people take seriously the proposals I have for them. Right now, I'm sure that my company will grow up more each day. So, if you're looking to make a logo for your brand or even a website, I really recommend 100% Bosscat, because they offer a very professional work to their customers with great result. That is what it matters at the end.